assessment number 6 from cumulative assessments in your book, last book. Okay. Activity number 1, juice boxes. Juice factory mix is packed into rectangular boxes. Volume is v bar 3 plus 6x bar 2 plus 11x plus 6 cube units. The height is x plus 2 length unit. Find the area of the base of the box. We can find the area by dividing volume by the height, because the volume equal area base reduced by corresponding height. Then you can find the height by divided volume by area base. He won't find what is the area of the base. The area of the base will be volume divided by height. We can write area equals, the volume was x bar 3 plus 6x bar 2 plus 11x plus 6, all divided by x plus 2. We can use long division to find the answer. Divide this division by x plus 2. Okay, look at the steps to find the answer here. I will draw like this sign. Right here is the dividend and divisor. The dividend will be x power 3 plus 6x power 2 plus 11x plus 6 divided by the height x plus 2. First step, x power 3 divided by x, it will be x power 2. Then first step, divided first term by first term. We have arranged here descending and here order ascending. X power 3 divided x, it will be x power 2, and then x power 2 reduced by x equal x power 3 reduced by 2 equal to x power 2, and then find the difference between two numbers. 6x power 2 subtract by 2x power 2, it will be 4x power 2 plus 11x plus 6. Now I will divide 4x power 2 by x, right, positive, and 4x power 2 divided by x, 4 divided by 1 equal 4, and x power 2 divided by x equal x. 4x times x, it will be 4x power 2, 4x times 2, it will be 8x. Cancel together, and 11x subtract by 8x equal 3x. 3x plus 6, drop 6 here, and then divided 3x by x. 3x divided by x equal 3, right? 3 and then 3 product by x equal 3x, and 3 product by 2 equals 6. Now we can find the difference. The difference between two numbers equals 0. Then the area will be x power 2 plus 4x plus 3 square units. Next question is activity number 1 for week number 6. Okay, activity number 2, we have here dividend and divisor, and you want to find the quotient. Okay, I will solve first question here. To find the quotient, use long division, standard logarithm like this. Right here is the dividend, x power 3 plus 2x power 2 minus 5x minus 6 divided by x minus 2, and then x power 3 divided by x equal x power 2, x power 2 times x, x power 3, x power 2 times negative 2, it will be negative 2x power 2. Right here negative and here positive, cancel together. 2x power 2 plus 2x power 2, it will be 4x power 2, negative 5x minus 6, and then drop again. I dropped here and then divided 4x power 2 by x, right, positive, and 4x power 2 divided by x, it will be 4x. 4x times x, it will be 4x power 2. 4x times negative 2, right, negative, and 2 times 4 equal 8, right, 8x. Right here negative and positive, cancel together. Negative 5x plus 8x, it will be 3x, and then drop negative 6. Now I will divide it positive 3x by x, it will be positive 3. Then 3 times x equal 3x, and 3 times negative 2 negative 6, and then find the difference between two numbers. Then the quotient will be x power 2 plus 4x plus 3, right? The answer here. Okay, first question, the answer is this bracket. Next question. We have a long division also about x power 2 divide plus 7x plus 12 all divided by x plus 3 is the divisor here. X to the power 2 divided by x equal x, and then x times x power 2 and x times 3 equal 3x. Write negative and find the difference between together. 7x minus 3x equal 4x, and then 4x divided by x equal 4. Now I will product 4 times x, it will be 4x, 4 times 3 equal 12, and then find the difference between two numbers. Then the quotient will be x plus 4. Next question. Now we have 2y power 2 subtracted by 1, but I will arrange this expression. I will arrange this expression from greatest to smallest. 8y power 3 plus 2y power 2 minus 2y minus 1. Okay, I arrange the expression from the greatest to smallest, descending order, divided by 2y plus 1. And then divided, 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Y power 3 divided by y, it will be y power 2. And then drop 4 times 2 equal 8. Y power 2 times y equal y power 3. And then product 1 times 4y power 2. Right, positive here, 1 times 4y power 2, it will be 4y power 2. And then find the difference between two numbers. Right here negative and this negative. Okay, convert from positive to negative because we will find the difference between two expressions. We can cancel 2y power 2, subtract 4y power 2 equal negative 2y power 2, and then drop negative 2y minus 1. Next step, I will divide it, negative 2y power 2 by this term. Negative 2 times divided by 2 is negative 1, and y power 2 divided by y equal y. And then product, negative y times negative times positive 2y equal negative times positive negative. Y times y power 2, and write 2y power 2. Negative y times 1, it will be negative y. Now I will find the difference, put here positive and here positive. Change the sign. Cancel, and negative 2 plus 1, it will be negative 1. Negative 1y, it's meaning negative y because we have negative 2 plus 1. This here 1. Negative 2 plus 1, it will be negative 1. And the coefficient 1, negative 1 of the variable y. Then drop negative 1. Again, negative y divided by negative, okay, again, 2y plus 1. This is question not correct. I will write here negative 3. Okay, change this number and write negative 3y. Negative 3y plus y, it will be negative 2y, and then drop negative 1, and then divided negative 2y divided by 2y, it will be negative 1. Negative 1 times 2y, it will be negative 2y, and negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Then we can change. Then the quotient will be 4 by y power 2 subtract y minus 1. Homework. Find the quotient of x power 2 subtract 4x minus 12 divided by x plus 2. We can use the long division. Right here, x power 2 subtract 4x minus 12 divided by x plus 2. First step, x power 2 divided by x equal x. X product x equal x power 2, x times 2, it will be 2x. And then find the difference. X power 2 subtract by x power 2 0. Negative 4x minus 2x will be negative 6x minus 12. Negative 6x divided by x will be negative 6. Negative 6 times x will be negative 6. Negative 6 times 2, it will be negative 12. And then we can find the difference. The result will be 0, okay? Next question. 2x plus 1 is one factor of expression. 2x power 2 minus 7x minus 4. Find the other factor. 2x power 2 minus 7x minus 4 divided by 2x plus 1. 2x power 2 divided by 2x equal x. X times 2x will be 2x power 2. X times 1 it will be x. And then find the difference between two expressions. Write negative and the negative. Cancel together. Negative 7x and negative 1 will be negative 8x minus 4. Next, divided negative 4x by positive 2x. Write negative. And 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Negative 4 times 2x will be negative 8x. Negative 4 times 1 will be negative 4. Then we can find the difference between the expressions. Then the quotient will be x minus 4. Next question number 3. The expression is divisible by 4x minus 1. Find the value of b. Okay, it's a new question. Okay, so you must be attention about the steps. Look at with me here. We have 4x power 2 plus 11x plus b divided by 4x minus 1. 4x power 2 divided by 4x, 4 divided by 4, 1. X power 2 divided by x equal x, and then product x times 4x will be 4x power 2. X times negative 1 it will be negative x, and then find the difference between two numbers. Change the sign, cancel together here, and 11 plus 1x will be 12x plus b. 12x divided by 4x equal 3. 12 divided by 4 equal 3, x divided by x equal 1, and the product 3 times 4x equal 12x. 3 times negative 1 it will be negative 3. Then we can find the difference between two expressions. Change the sign here. We can cancel, the result will be p plus 3. P plus 3 must be equal 0 because it is divisible. This expression divisible by 4x minus 1, meaning the remainder will be equal 0. Then the remainder here, b plus c equals 0, there is the value of b equal negative 3. Okay. Next question. If the quotient of the expression divisible by x plus 7, find x plus m. First, I will write x power 2 plus 10x plus k divisible by x plus 7. Okay, in the answer give me x plus m. So we want to find the value of k plus m. Okay, first step, you give me if the quotient of the expression divisible by x plus 7 is about the quotient will be x plus m. So we can complete here. First step, x power 2 divided by x equal x. X times x equal x power 2, x times 7 is 7x. And then find the difference between two expressions. 10x minus 7x is 3x plus k. And then 3x divided by x equal 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 7 is 21. Next step, we can find the difference between two expressions now. Right, negative and here negative. We can cancel, then we have k minus 21. Then k minus 21 equals 0. It means the value of k is 21. K will be 21. Now I want to find the value of m. He give me x plus m is the quotient. Then m here will be 3x plus m equivalent to x plus 3 is the quotient. Okay, then the value of m equal 3 and value of k equal 21. Then k plus m, 21 plus 3 is 24. And the answer will be 24. Next question, number 5. The floor of a rectangular room is 2x power 3 subtracted by 5x power 2 plus 7x minus 6 square units. The width is x plus 7. The length unit. Find the length of the floor in terms of x. We know the area equal length times width. He gives me the width here and we don't find the length. The length we can write area divided by the width. We have 2x power 3 subtracted by 5x power 2 plus 7x minus 6 divided by x plus 7. 2x power 3 divided by x, 2 divided by 1 equal 2, and x power 3 divided by x power 2. 2 times 1 equal 2, and x power 2 times x power 3. 2 times 7 is 14. Right, negative find the difference between two expressions. We can find the difference between two expressions, negative 5x and negative 4. It will be negative 19x power 2 plus 7x minus 6. Negative 19 divided by 1, it will be negative 19. It's correct or not? We have again 2x power 3, not 2. Yes, 3. Okay, minus 5x power 2 plus 7x minus 6. It can divide by x plus 2. 2x power 3 divided by x equal to x power 2. 2 times 1 equal to 2x power 3. 2 times 7, 14. Then we can collect together. Negative 19 x power 2. We have negative 5 x power 2 and negative 14. Negative 14 plus negative 19 is negative 19 x power 2 divided by this number, and then product x power 2 divided x equal x. Negative 19 x power 2, and then write negative. We can write 7 times 9. 7 times 9 equals 63. Write 3 and carry up 6. 1 times 7 is 7 plus 6 is 13, and write x. Okay, and then find the difference. It will be positive and here positive. We can collect. It will be 140x minus 60. We can collect together. Now I will divide 140, but we have difference. This question we have wrong about number. What about the wrong here? If we change here from positive to negative, okay, x times negative 7. Okay, we have wrong step here about the question. I will change like this number, and I will see. Okay, I will change x plus 7 to x minus 7. We will say now 2x power 3 divided by x, it will be 2x power 2. 2x power 2 times x will be 2x power 3. Right, negative 2 times 7 equal 14 x power 2, and then change negative 5 plus 14. 14 minus 5 is 9 plus 7x minus 6. 9x power 2 divided by x, it will be 9x. 9x times x, it will be 9x power 2. Right, negative 9 times 7 is 63 x, and this change the sign, it will be negative and here positive, and then we can collect. It will be 70x minus 6. 70. Okay, we have wrong in this question. Okay, this question not correct. Next question.